Good afternoon, everyone. I'm glad to see that already a lot of people are joining, despite not the calmest night today. We welcome you to the Data Science School, organized by Kyiv Academic University, and we really hope that you will like it. The program is very interesting. You probably have seen the schedule already. We have a lot of lectures from all across the world, not only from Ukraine, but also from the USA and Germany. And it's rather interdisciplinary, so it covers basic methods of machine learning, some applications to solid-state physics, to biophysics, to astrophysics. A lot of physics, I know, but not only that, I promise. So yeah, hope you enjoy, and a few words also from our guest from Czech Republic, who came here to provide some workshops and also give a lecture to you. Jiří, Vyskočil, please.
Hello, my name is Jiří Vyskočil. I come from Czech Republic, from Prague, and I'm visiting Kyiv for a couple of weeks. I'm very glad that I can attend this school. It has some personal meaning to me because in Czech history there was a time when an occupying force closed our Czech universities, and all Czech people learn already in the elementary school that was one of the points where Czechoslovakia back then was losing its freedom. And because of that, I feel that it's extremely important that in Ukraine the higher education and science is still working. Not only that, it's also thriving, and for that I think that this school is an extremely important event, because it shows that Ukraine is still a free country, and I hope that as soon as possible it will reclaim its freedom on all its territories. I'm glad that for everyone who participates and shows their support to Ukrainian science and education.
Thank you, Jiří.